Finished in original colours of Gladiator Red with black hide interior, this desirable and exciting V8 Vantage Zagato is the second of two prototype examples built in 1985, completed and stored for its first owner by Aston Martin themselves before being registered and delivered in 1988. Recorded by Aston Martin as pre-production prototype number 1, this exciting and very rapid car was fitted with a leather-trimmed half-roll cage whilst in build, and is one of only 3 delivered with factory-modified carburation, uprating the V8 Vantage engine's output to a true 432 brake horsepower. Changing hands twice during the mid-1990s, owners maintained chassis number 20011 with Aston Martin Works and Aston Martin main agents before a long-term owner purchased the car from Nicholas Mee Co in 1999. Whilst in the same ownership for some 23 years and until today, this exceptional and important 1980s supercar has been enjoyed on public roads and for occasional tours, including runs to Le Mans on multiple occasions. Temporarily imported to the owner's home in New Zealand between 2011 and 12, chassis 20011 received a cosmetic restoration to the highest standards by renowned restorers Auto Restorations of Christchurch, New Zealand, before being returned to the UK. More latterly, 20011 has been entered and displayed in prestigious concours events, including the famed Concorso d'Eleganza in 2015, held within the beautiful Villa d'Este estate on the shores of Lake Como. That year the car was appropriated by Aston Martin themselves to accompany the first public viewings of the new Vanquish Zagato editions. Also entered into the 2019 London Concours, this important example of the V8 Vantage Zagato has more recently been kept in professional and climatically controlled storage, whilst being occasionally run in dry weather conditions. Sold to its most recent owner by ourselves in 2022, it is a pleasure to once again offer to market this potent and beautifully presented example. Offered inclusive of a comprehensive history file containing service and restoration invoices, concours documentation, souvenir books and badges, the original bound and embossed owner's handbooks and service voucher booklet, previous MOTs, factory build data sheet, and Aston Martin Heritage Trust certificate. Also included are the original tool roll, vehicle jack and space-saving spare wheel, supplied to its next owner freshly serviced and fully prepared with 12 months warranty and MOT certificate. This exceptional car is available for viewing and demonstration now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.